yeah, that looks really nice. I like that. I didn't even know they were gonna do that. What's up, you guys? It is Monday and it's time for a house update. I just finished eating lunch and doing some work at a restaurant, and now I'm about to head to the house. My name is Camille, if you're new here, and we are Camille and Mike here, but Mike is at an appointment, so he's not available right now. So I'm gonna go to the house by myself, solo, and see what's new. I know for sure we have 2 changes to update you guys on. Outside of that, I haven't been there. We didn't go at all yesterday, and yeah, I'm trying to think. I think we went Saturday night, but it was dark and we were using flashlights, and it's not the best experience going at night using a flashlight because you really can't see anything. It is currently snowing. Raining, sleeting, and snowing, and I'm not ready for this. I'm driving, so I'm probably not going to be looking at you guys, but yeah, we had a great weekend. We went to go see Wakanda. Definitely recommend if you have not seen it already. If you have, let us know in the comments what your thoughts were. I've kind of been seeing mixed reviews on Facebook, so I don't know. I loved it. So it's interesting to hear how everybody viewed the new Wakanda. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button. And yeah, we have a appointment on Friday with the builder, our realtors, to go over final things. So I'm assuming that means we're getting closer to being done. I don't know. Learning as we go. Yeah. So I will see you guys at the house. Okay, so it looks like what are they called? Why am I having a brain fart right now? Insulation. It looks like the insulation people have been out to help with that. And I wonder, I'll go over there and see. The closet is still looking the same. Bathroom is still looking the same. Oh, this is new. So they had this, what is it called? Door casing thing on. Trim around the door. Goodness gracious, you guys, my apologies. But they were missing this side. And so now that side is there. And of course, because of the cabinet, they kind of had to niche it out and leave room for the countertop. So yeah, that's new. Oh, that's new too. Oh goodness, look you guys. Okay, so all of this wasn't here. Oh, that looks good. Oh, I like how thick that is. And this one was missing too. So that's new. And I just happened to glance over here, and there's this. I wonder why that's darker. It's interesting. So yeah, the trim that we picked at that one appointment is in. Looks so good. And remember, the bathtub will be here, and then the tub filler will be here. Looks good. They have the music playing, so I'm not going to be talking for long, but it looks like we have our base trim in our room as well. Just love this view right here. Okay, let's go see what's happening in the rest of the house. Looks like the base trim is going in all the rooms today. So in the built-ins we added by the fireplace, the outlet is here. And then this is the light wire. So I'm assuming they're gonna tape it. I don't know how that's gonna work, but they're gonna figure that out. And then it's the same thing over here, outlet here, but then the light will go on this side. So yeah, Mike just showed up. Looking like he works here. He's been in the lab all day, so. Oh, it looks like they added the, what's it? Insulation came there too. So that's good. Looking good. So another update another update Mike just noticed. The door is in. Oh, that looks good. Oh, this trim around the door wasn't there either. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, for the pocket door maybe? There's a hole up there now.
You go ahead and slide all the way back? Okay.
Maybe they needed to screw. It's not over here. Yeah. So Mike just noticed this. We're in the garage, and so they just added this. That makes it look really nice. Let me turn around so you guys can see. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. I like that. I didn't even know they were gonna do that. Yeah, that's nice. Back in the car after walking through the house. It's so cold outside. Yeah, so updates. I didn't even notice the office door to the bathroom and the trim around that door, and then the trim around the baseboards. They're still finishing up one of the room. Actually, they have my office to do and then the other bedroom to do. And then the casing around the multi-slider door is done, and looks like they still have to build our drawers for the owner's closet, and let's see what else was left. The cabinet, the floating shelves in the bathroom are done. Those look really good. And the front door, the office door, cannot be framed. And then the area where the fridge and the double oven and the countertop and floating shelves, they can't do that until they come and fix the sheetrock. And so yeah, but it's always good to add days to whenever they tell you they think they're gonna be done, because the guy was like, oh yeah, we'll probably be done with trim on Saturday. It's Monday and they're about to get out of here, so they're gonna be here tomorrow, so which is okay, it's not a big deal. But even in your, like, when you sign your contract, they'll tell you to add like so many days intermittently, because each task can take a different amount of time. Okay, so that being said, they were supposed to start the brick on the outside this week, but like I just said, it's snowing and raining. I think it's kind of stopped at this point, but they so now the ground is muddy, and so it's gonna be tough for them to be over there working, like kind of sinking into the ground. So I wonder how that's gonna play out, if they're gonna actually do that. They have our neighbor's house. The driveway is laid out. This neighbor's house, the driveway is laid out, but it's not poured yet. So I'm assuming they'll be doing that this week. I have to go get our little one from school, so I'm gonna get out of here. I have to color my hair. I have like 90,000 pictures to go through from different photo shoots. I had one, two, did I only have two? I had two photo shoots this weekend, so I have those, and then I have like a ton from the weekend before, and I think I had one during the week. So yeah, I got to get caught up on all of those so everybody can get their galleries. And yeah, your girl is busy. I had some other things happening this morning, still can't share that yet, but soon. So we will see you guys in Sunday's video. Mike already got out of here, so he couldn't come and say hi or bye to you guys. But make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and leave us a comment below, and we will see you next time. Peace out.